I got my 90s R&B album covers on. I'm so excited. I haven't worn this yet, and it's pretty cold weather today. We had storms and rain yesterday. I'm walking to work. I have horseback riding boots on. These are my Ariats, Secretariats. I just decided to walk because I need the exercise and my car is giving me problems. It's not staying charged over the battery. And my knee has arthritis into it. The left one been throbbing. Bye guys, have a good day. 3 to 10 for me. Somehow, I got sand in my mouth. And I don't know how that even happened, but it's definitely sand. It's not like sugar or salt or anything else. It probably come off the road when a car went past. And I wasn't even talking. Yeah. The sky looks like so crazy. Because we were supposed to have like tornadoes yesterday. And we didn't get a tornado where I live. But, pero, the wind is blowing. Pero like, crick, 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 crick. People got me questioning, where is the love? Father, help us, send us some guidance from above. People got me questioning, where is the love? La basura, guacala, sucia, asquerosa, cochina abombao.